Hello everyone, welcome back to Ape Coder channel. I hope you all are good. After a long time, finally welcome back to Ape Coder. Honestly, college life and project assignments and everything become really busy. And because of that, I stopped uploading for some time. But during this break, technology changed very fast, especially in AI. And now, the IT industry is entering a completely new era, the era of AI agents. What are AI agents? Now topic is that what is AI agents? Most people think AI is just a chat GPT or chatbots. But AI agents are different. They don't just answer questions. They can't actually think, plan, and do tasks automatically. For example, if you ask a normal AI, create a website, it gives you a code. But an AI agent can design the website, write the code, fix errors, and deploy it online, and even optimize it automatically without human help. That is why companies are investing billions into the AI agents right now. Why this is matters? This is becoming one of the biggest revolution in this IT industry because companies want faster work, less manual efforts, and smarter automation. In the future, AI agents may handle customer support, coding testing, and data analysis, marketing, and even business operations. For developers and students, now many students are asking, will AI replace developers? My answer is simple. AI will not replace smart developers, but developers who use AI will replace developers who don't know. That's why learning AI tools, automation, prompt engineering, and AI workflows is becoming very important. And honestly, this is the one reason I wanted to restart Ape Coder again, because it is the best time to learn these technologies. We will explore about the AI, coding, future techs, and real projects, and a real journey of becoming a developer. So what do you think about the AI agents? Are they helpful or dangerous for future jobs? Comment your thoughts below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Ape Coder because this is just the beginning of the new tech era. See you in the next video.